Okay, it's another video with the Honda CRV. This is a common fault with the Honda CRV. The bonnet, right? So in this case, this one is broken. So I ordered this one off the internet. Basically, I got two of them. I got one of these in black and I got one in red. So I think it would look nice with the black and red. So it's actually a differentiate, you know, even though you would know because the symbol is there. But I think it does look cool because Honda, you know, like the Honda Type R's that come in red. So I think the red will look nice. But how am I gonna get this off now with this piece of plasticky thing, you know, hard plastic was on it. I think the previous person, they put like a zip tie in it to pull it. So I'm gonna take off the zip tie, right, and see if I could cut some of this off. So in this case, you come with two screws. So this basically this one is still gonna go in here. So I don't need to take off all of that. I just need to take off about the same length as this, right? So thing there, I'm gonna cut off all of that, the plasticky bit, and leave the metal bit, so I could just stuck that in there and then tighten it up with some screws. So an Allen key with the two screws to hold it in place. So I got a black one as well. This is the black one. So, right, so one of us should put the black, or should I put the red? In this case, I might just put the red. So I'm going to take this off now because I don't have my Dremel, my little drill thing. That's some plasticky thing. So I was thinking to cut this bit, but cut this bit down. Well, how am I going to cut it? What am I going to use to cut it? Like, let me see if I use try to chip it off with the screwdriver. It's not moving at all. Tonight, then we'll know. Right, but for now, this one is perfectly fine. The gas, this open the gas tank, right? And so this needs to come off, right? I'm gonna take this off. I don't know how. Let's try and if I should try to chip it off. It's some really hard plastic, right? So we're trying to replace it with this red one here, right? This is the metal actually. These are plastic. These are plastic, right? Hope this one doesn't go anytime soon. All right, but this one, that's metal. That's metal. So that's the one good thing about it. So I might have to cut this cut here. Not the metal, just cut the plastic off. Okay? Or maybe I can shave it down with this. If this doesn't work, then we gotta go for the fire. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try use my knife and kind of shave it down a little bit. Hope I don't hurt myself doing it. Okay. I think this might take me all day, man. Because look. Okay, what I done is use this little saw to shave it down. Because if I should use this to like cut it bit by bit, it would take me all day. So what I'm doing is just trying not to cut any wires and just not be patient with it, right? Don't cut the metal because that's what you need to connect. So we need about that length, right? So this can actually push right here. So this is for the Honda. I think this go for the Civic as well, the Honda on the Civic on the card. I think they use the same thing. The plastic is really hard. Plastic, and it's really hot there. Right? So I might use, I think, yeah, let's check, let's measure it. Yeah, I think that length is fine. That's where we want it. Right? You know, you do it yourself, you don't need to take it into the dealers to get all that done, you know. So I'm gonna try and get the pliers now. This says CRV, right? CRV, same. Say nothing, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try and just bite it off. Just gonna give it a little bit of twist. You see, it's break right off. Right, see? Right? Trying to take off some of that. Still a bit hard. Use a little screw. So, should we take more off of it? No, I think we're good to go with that. See? Yeah? Got enough. That should be enough, I think. Right? Yeah, so those were the screw holes. It's gonna be. Should I take a bit more? Nah, I think that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, that should be okay. So, there you go. Fit right on. Okay. So now, how to get the screw around here where that's involved. So I might use a small screwdriver to screw this in. With the screws, don't lose them. So first, I'm gonna put the screws in here. Yeah, so we're gonna put the little screws in here. Let's see. Alright, so this should be two of them. Oh yeah, that's another one there. That's another one. I almost lose it. Careful, guys, because sometimes they're so tiny. You know, it's easily to lose them. Remember, this side always up. This side up where you put the all-in key. Right, so just gonna try and fit that in there. Just give it a little bit of twist. And that's the all-in key, so what I'm gonna do is twist it around a little bit. Right, just enough. So I don't need to do a lot of screwing in. So now I tighten that up. There you go. So we could call it a success. You know, I got this in black, as I said before, but I just decided to use the red because I think it's a black interior. It's kind of boring, so I just put a red one. So even in dark, you won't be able to miss it. So you won't be able to confuse the two. You know, so you know black is the gas tank. Yep, works. There you go. Give a little bit of test. Locked it. And see, open it. There you go, success. Alright, so I'm actually working on this tent. Bought this tent on eBay. Right? I think this tent was, you know, I haven't done it properly yet still, but I will. You know, if you want to do work on your car, it's good if you get something like this, right, to work on when it rains. Pretty much, right? Yeah, so that's it. So now we're gonna put this back together, right? So only thing this one got these little thing here, and what you do, you put that in there, and then this, you got this never piece, you just need to clip back in there and just knot them in with those little clips, and that's it, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. I might show you another video when we change in the gas acceleration cable or gas cable, right? Anyway, thanks for watching.